So guys, in this video, we are going to see how you can turn your ideas into actionable posts. Basically, if you have some topic ideas that you have to write for your website, if you have created a cluster, you have created, like if you have a lot of ideas that you want to write on your website, then this video is for you. So basically, we are going to turn those ideas into blog posts that are going to have very high chance of ranking in Google. And if you're someone who don't know how to do the keyword research and basically you don't have any keywords right now, so I am also going to show you how you can do the keyword research using like free method and how you can turn those like ideas into reality. So for all this, we are going to need three tools. The number one tool is our good old friend ChatGPT. Basically, if you have premium, that is better. Like you can also use free, just like I'm using. The second tool that we are going to use is Arvo. So it's a AI powered SEO writer, and basically it turns your ideas, it turns your keywords into articles in just under 1 minute. And honestly guys, no sales pitch here. If you want to write article on your website, basically write articles that are going to rank on Google, this is the number one choice for you right now. This tool is literally blowing up, and like I've also created some videos on it, like how when I started using this tool, my traffic blew up to like 10-15%. So you can buy Arvo from here. You can check the pricing from here. So just starts from like $40. And like if you have multiple website, you can try this out. And the third tool that we are going to use is this Ahrefs. Basically, we are going to validate, like if we have gathered some keyword, we are going to validate whether we can write on those keywords or we have to ignore. So long story short, we are going to determine whether that particular keyword is worthy of writing or not. So let's start with our number one step, how to gather keywords, how to get the ideas so that you can write blog posts on your website. So the number one thing which we require is we need to gather a lot of ideas. We need to get keywords that are like easy to rank, long tail keywords. So we are going to like give some command to ChatGPT and ask for a list of keywords. So that is going to be related to your niche. So for example, we are going to use like home loan niche like for this particular video. So I'm going to generate some ideas around this keyword. So guys, ChatGPT has produced our result, and you can see here that around like 6 tables have been produced, and all tables are containing similar keywords to our pillar posts. So if you are someone who don't know like what pillar posts are, what cluster keywords are, so basically they means if you want to rank on this keywords. So for example, this is our primary keyword, but generally this keyword is like super high to rank on. It has like really high difficulty. So what strategy in SEO we are using is we are writing on these topics like which are similar to these our parent topic, and in relation to our pillar post, these are having low difficulty and also like low volume. So for example, if you start ranking on this keyword, if you start ranking on this keyword, so we are going to have internal linking of like this cluster post, and we are also going to link our primary post as well. So if these start ranking, gradually what we'll do is this will also start ranking in Google. But to achieve this, what we have to do is basically we have to write a lot of articles. So you really need a really high quality of articles on your website. And once you start publishing content that is like worthy of ranking, that is user friendly, you will automatically see that you will gradually see a lot of traffic, lot of users, lot of like interactions for your brand like coming in. So once you have these keywords, what we can do is we can copy any of these keywords to get an idea of how competitive this is. And we are going to go into Ahrefs, and we are going to simply select the country here. So we are going to select United States, and we are going to press on search. So this will give us an idea of how competitive our keyword is. So this keyword is like super difficult to rank on. So basically we need around 118 like unique backlinks to rank on this particular keyword. So this is like really expensive. So let's try out this keyword. Let's see if like we can rank on this keyword. So here you can see jumbo loans limits California 2025. So this is having very low difficulty. Even if you see here that volume is very low, nobody is searching for it, it's a good sign. It's basically means that like according to Href, basically it's very low difficulty keyword. But generally, if you believe that keyword is like something your audience is going to search, it's a good idea that you can write article on this. So once you have identified the keywords that you want to rank on, so basically you have to select each keyword. You have to check these keywords for their difficulty, and then you have to create a list out of it. So guys, you clearly need a proper content strategy for your website in order to achieve higher ranking and to get a lot of like organic traffic from Google. So we are going to take example of this. So I'm going to copy this, and now we are going to go to our third tool, Arvo. So this is the Arvo's dashboard. So once you have like purchased a plan, you'll see your dashboard will be like this. And if you want to like just try it out, you can try it for like 2-3 articles. So for generating the article, all you have to do is you have to click on SEO articles and you have to place your keyword here. And after that, like if you have some title, you can place that title here as well. And you have to click on add keywords. Once your keyword has been added into Arvo, you can see it in like the inputs tab. Then like what we'll do is we'll go to the this like title here, and we have like basically two options here. So either you can just simply click on generate article and it will produce a very high quality article for you in a matter of minutes, or you can provide it with additional information. So I recommend if you do some research, you do some competitor analysis, you can also improve the quality of the article, the research of the article. So like the chances of ranking it in top position will increase a lot. But right off the bat, Arvo does a pretty good job of doing all that for you. So if you are not that technical, you don't have that much time, and you simply want a quality article that you can publish right away, then this is the tool for you. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on generate articles, and then our article will move on to the generation part. And here within a matter of minutes, our article will be generated successfully. So let's wait for Arvo to complete the generation of our article, and we will take a look at the quality of article produced by Arvo. So guys, Arvo is done producing our article. So it is ready. All you have to do is you have to simply click on the title here, and you will be able to see the article yourself. So once again, we have to click on view, and we can expand the view from here. So right off the bat, you can see it has produced a table of content here. It has included a very good title for your article as well. And the structuring of article is really important. So all that you can see is the structuring is proper. It is included list as well, and you can see the table is present here as well. So it has included data here as well. So that is going to increase the credibility of your article. The images are also present here with proper alt text, so you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is you simply have to copy paste this and publish it onto your website. And quickly, I just want to introduce you to one of the really cool features of Arvo here is, so sometimes you might see you are not liking certain portion of the article, you want to change certain paragraph. So all you have to do is you have to select that paragraph, and you can ask Arvo to rewrite it. You can change the tone, add the keyword, add the link. So this handy tool is there as well. So you can use it to further improve the quality, or basically improve the article itself. So guys, you see it's so much easy to produce a high quality article. Basically you have to do your research using ChatGPT, then you have to do the validation using Ahrefs, SEMrush, or any other tool of your choice. And you simply have to gather cluster of topics, and you have to start using Arvo to generate a really high quality of articles, and you have to start publishing those articles onto Google. And guys, if you are liking my videos, can I simply request you to comment something nice on this video, like AI article or SEO article? It helps in increasing the visibility of my videos, and I'll see you next time.